Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Spot YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about octal to binary conversion in number system. So we will quickly learn this using an example problem. So 37.45, which is in octal. Octal means base 8 to binary means base 2. So how to convert this we will know. So the number the range of the octal number system is 0 to 7. It will not exceed above 7. That is 8 is not present in octal number system, 9 is not present in octal number system. So now this is a very easy method to convert this. We will write the numbers as it is in binary format. See, 7 can be written as, you should represent it using 3 digits which should be either 0 or 1. So 2 to the power of 0 here, 2 to the power of 1 here, 2 to the power of 2 here. So 7 can be written as, the value of 2 to the power of 2 is 4, the value of 2 to the power of 1 is 2, the value of 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So how can 7 be written here? 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So all are 1s. This is how we represent 7 in binary format. So again here, so 3 can be represented as 2 plus 1 is 3. So 0, 1, 1. This is 3. After point 4 can be represented as, we should only use 3 bits here. Only 3 bits are allowed here. 4 can be represented as only 4. 4 is, we can get it, 2 square is 4. 1, 0, 0 is 4. What is the value of 5 here? 1, 0, 1. So we will write it 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0.100, 101. This is the value of the octal number 37.45 in binary. So this is very simple. We have to write the digits which are in octal in binary format using only 3 bits. Understood? 3 bits. We will write it in 4 bits in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. We will look into that in next video. Thank you.